Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a secondary YouTube channel or a second channel in a few simple steps. Don't forget to join us by subscribing to the channel and becoming part of our family. Ready? Let's go. First, on the YouTube homepage, click on your channel icon. A menu will appear. Scroll down and select Settings. As you can see, there are several options such as channel status and features, add or manage your channel, and others. We're going to click on Add or Manage Your Channel to create a new channel. In the final step, we'll create the new channel by clicking on Create a Channel. Then enter the name of your new channel. For example, my new channel will be for video games. I will choose a name for it. Now the new channel is ready. Don't forget to leave the name of your new channel in the comments.